Despite liberal arguments that Donald Trump is a threat to democracy, a new Wall Street Journal op-ed points out Kamala Harris's own past of defying the Constitution. As California's Attorney General, she refused to enforce a ballot measure on same-sex marriage, unilaterally deeming it unconstitutional. Then, under her current administration, Biden and Harris have continued to cancel billions in student loan debt, despite the Supreme Court finding one of their plans unconstitutional. Her administration is also facing a lawsuit for allowing millions of migrants to maneuver around federal law and apply for permanent residency. And a House Judiciary Committee found that the Biden-Harris White House worked with big tech to censor opposing narratives. Here to react is outnumbered co-host Emily Campagna. We always hear them say when Trump was going through all the court cases that nobody is above the law, yet they're defying the law.
That's right. And the whole point here is that Kamala Harris has a long track record of doing that. Defying, for example, Proposition 8, which 52 to 48% passed in California. That's the will of the voters. She stood in her Attorney General platform and said, it's unconstitutional. I refuse to defend it as Attorney General. But the reality was that was her job. You're supposed to, regardless of how you feel about something, represent and fulfill the duties of your role. If she started doing it back then, if she's done it through the student loans and the migrant and everything in the voting, how can we trust her to fulfill the duties of the commander-in-chief lawfully without just imposing her will over the will of the American people?
Yeah, California voted and same-sex marriage did become legal, even though she said it was unconstitutional.